Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Junilino Kagalpuchi, 38 years old. I am married. I'm blessed with a child. I am graduate high school and I am Christian born again. My father is farmer and my mother is housewife. I have 7 sisters and 3 brothers. About my work experience, I mixed abroad from Saudi Arabia year 2018 to 2020. I served from members to family, to adult, and to children. Ages of children 2 and 5 years old. My main duties and responsibilities are cooking, laundering, ironing, gardening, clean the house, and taking care of children. My second experience here in Philippines, year 2020 to 2022. I served 6 members of the family, 2 adults and 4 children. Ages of children 10 years old, 8 years old, 5 years old, and newborn baby. My main duties and responsibilities are all around like cooking, laundering, ironing, marketing, gardening, taking care of children, and taking care of pets. Mom and sir, if you trust me as your helper, I do my very best in your family. I am doing well my duties and responsibilities, and I will follow your rules and regulations. I love your family, especially your child, as my own. Mom and sir, I am honest, obedient, hardworking, loving, and trustworthy. I hope you heard me, Mom and sir. Thank you and